with the people of India, solemnly, resort, constitute India, into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic, and to secure, to all its citizens, justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status, of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, with the dignity of the individual, and the unity and integrity of the nation, in our constitute assembly, this 26th day of November 1949,